participants are muted and they can unmute themselves.
Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Forex Trader. So welcome to another day of exciting trading session during the London Open. So today we've got an alert on the USD Canadian dollars on a 5-minute chart. So we've got something happening in this area right now that's cause us to trigger a sell. So what we can do now is sell the market. But before we sell the market, let me check the balance. Yeah, 325. So we're going to change this to 0.21. No, actually 0.18. That's better. Let's have a look. Yep. Alright, so all good. And we're going to sell the market. Okay, so reason why here's what we're going to do now. We're going to actually, once we sell the market, we're going to plot our exit, so we know where we enter. Well, where do we get out? You know, where do we exit our trade? So that's what we're going to do. So we use plotter 1, 2, 3 with this way of calculating box here. Plot anywhere here, and that's where we're going to exit right here. Okay, so we can use this, or we can use, maybe plot this one here. Let's just see this one. Alright, so that's pretty much the same, lining up in that exit target here. So the first exit will be 10 pips, 1.3203. Okay, that's right. So let's just go to my account. Sell. And then the second tag will be 1.3201, and then the third tag will be 1.3198. So now, as you can see, it's actually moving along nicely. Just expected. Alright, so where do we re-enter our trade? And like most of our students, they can wait till it retrace up to here if they want to, or if they don't, they can enter now. If they retrace, they may miss out. If they wait for a retracement, they may miss out if it continue further. But every market, it's gonna retrace as always. So our stop loss will be up here. Up there. So just gonna put this here. Stop loss here. Entry here. And where do we take profit? Here we go. Just want to zoom out a bit so I can see. You can see there, right? As you can see, all our students can see here. So pretty much at its high right now, consolidating at its high, and we want it to come back down here, come back here, down here, even if it's halfway, which is way below our take profit anyway. So most likely we'll get our target hit before it even go further down, or before even decide to retrace. In that case, we'll let you know how we go. So come back shortly, let you know the outcome. Thanks for watching.
All participants are muted and they can unmute themselves.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. So we had a trade, and since we enter down here, way down here, according to our system, of course, it went up 21 pips, and so it's just doing a bit of retracing now all the way up to there, and we're expecting it to come back down here. So it went against us. What we can do now is put in a secondary trade, so we're going to sell. Right, so secondary trade, selling this, continue selling this current pair. So this will only to sell to just to help improve our margin level as well. So margin level now is sitting at 288%. So we're down $35. So we'll let you know as soon as we'll come back, as soon as we close this trade. Won't be long.
All participants are muted, and they can unmute themselves.
Okay guys, welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. So it looks like there's some problem with the my account. So we have a frozen account right now while I'm scalping and trading the market right now. So there's certainly some issue coming from my broker's end, because I've checked with other people in the room, and their accounts seem to be working fine. Their brokers seem to be working fine. So if something happened in this account, I'm gonna take this to, oh, it's come back up now after 5 minutes, so that's fine. We're back on as you can see, but look, it went down here. We could have got out and close at a profit, but it's not much different at this stage. Only like $7 in profit. But if we're going to do a lot of like if the news come on and this happen, we have to speak to our broker and just you know, let them know that they have issues with the server, and if we lost money, we can claim all back. So I just want to make it clear here, if something happens, especially when the news release come on, and if we can't execute a trade, we definitely have to show this to a broker and claim back all our loss. Okay, so we'll come back and let you know, because right now it's retracing back up now. See you soon.
All participants are muted, and they can unmute themselves.
Hi guys, welcome back to Simple Forex Trade. As you can see, the market is going our way as expected. So some of us enter a secondary trade at the top of this high, and then now it's come back down. So see this big candle here, so it's going to hit our first trade, so it's going to come down further, hit our first trade. So what I'm going to do, what am I account, what are the top trade is, the secondary trades in profit is 27.59. so what I'm going to do now is close that trade, and that trade is closed now. So therefore our first profit is $26.83 in profit. We still got one account to go, about $9 down, which is here. This is our secondary, so our first trade that's we're waiting originally. So the market is actually turning around towards into our favor. So we worked something out that there's something happening in this area that got us to you know, like not get stopped out, not close our trade. We know that it's going to come back down towards here. So the system is working, but we just increase our stop loss a bit higher here, so because we know that it's going to come back down, retracing back down, maybe even down further towards the this 200 here. So we'll come back and let you know as soon as we hit our, we'll probably get out somewhere just below our original target here, because the market is ranging at the moment. So, and then we'll let you know what happened. Thanks for watching. Let's go. Hi guys.
All participants are muted, and they can unmute themselves.
So welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. So I just I couldn't do a recording. I took another trade here. This is our third trade, and now as soon as we sell this one, it next 10 to 15 minutes it comes down towards our first original trade. So I'm gonna let this run. Look at that. So I'm gonna close this trade any moment now. So I'll close it, end of this candle. It will come down. It will come down and push through towards the previous low here, which what we're gonna see right now. So I can see, yep, like I said, it's $14 there, first one, and 16 second, 15, counting down, 5, 4. 1. Cool. Could be this one now. So we can see two strong candle push down. So this one is crucial, the current one now. It may just retrace back up towards here, and then maybe just pushing back down all the way towards our previous low here. So we want to see that happen on this candle. It will happen because, you know, as you can see, it's moving, you know, towards the 200. And I'll just let this record. As soon as it breaks through it, we can close the trade. So we're pretty much overall we're gonna make 10% either way of this today's trade, at least 10%. So let's have a look, wait and see. And also, thanks to the wave calculator here, wave calculator can help us guide us to where we can exit our trade. So using the wave calculator, we can plot a 1, 2, 3 up here. Pick any candle you want, or here and here. Bingo! It gives us, you know, any of those take profit target that you can actually exit. As you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3 here that's already hit. And now we're going for the fourth here, which is about to happen now. The fourth target is down here. You don't have to wait all the way down here. You can exit when it hits the third one, which we're going to do. It's probably more safest as a trader, scalping traders. But if you want to do advanced course, just let me know. I can go through that and show you how you can actually trial it all the way down to hit these fourth and fifth trade. So let's zoom in a bit. Alright, so it's going to break through this previous low and hit the 200. So this candle here has just over 2 minutes to go. So 2 minutes seems like a long time when you're in this trade. So you just don't know it's going to happen now or it's going to happen later. Probably in the last 10 seconds, it just decided to push through or maybe take off again on the upside. So it's just the nature of the market. But for sure, it's going to push through, you know, just by following our system. So here we go. So I'm going to close this trade here. Right, so that was the secondary trade up here. So I'll close that one. And now we'll close another one soon when this ends at a break even. Alright, here we go. Keep on rejecting. So as you can see, it's already break the previous low candle, and this new candle becomes a new low as well. So right now in this pair here, and the market for this pair is sort of ranging right now. So we just don't know that it's going to break through or not, and there's a new release coming on later as well. So to us, it's just a lot of work involved. So it may just bounce back up again. So it's like ranging up down until the news come out. So we just don't know what the big boys will be doing. So here we go, breakthrough, and 36 seconds. Yep, 30 seconds. And counting. $16, $10, $8, $7, $6, $5, $4, $3, $2, $1, $0, close. Cool. Alright, I'm sure it's going to hit at 200, but I've closed the trade now. So right now, let's have a look at the history. We had three trade. We took three trade. The first trade is $26.83. The second is $15.42, and the third one, which is just we just closed is 4,152, gives us a total of 41.34. So that gives us over 10% in profit today. So guys, congratulations if you're taking that trade. All our live student class are making that profit. Give us a new balance of 366.58 right now, and we'll call it a day. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you back next time. Before you go, we use the wave calculator to plot where we exit our target right now. So target is hit as expected, we want it. Yeah, we'll come back shortly. See you again next week. We're not trading on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so we'll start on Monday. See you guys then. Have a great one. Bye.